material preparation. The raw materials for making glass are very simple, mostly comprising sand, soda ash, limestone, and feldspar. To reduce manufacturing costs, colored recycled glass is also added to material mixtures. Batching and mixing. To bring a glass bottle design to life, the mixing portion matters. To make sure consistent quality of all batches of the glass bottle, the mixture portions have to be accurate. Melting. Once all the raw materials are pre-processed and mixed, they are continuously melted in a high-temperature furnace, forming a uniform, bubble-free, and molten glass suitable for shaping. Blow forming. The molten glass is cut into pieces and then either blown into molds or placed into shaping molds to create the desired glass products. Annealing. The glass bottles are moved into an annealing layer, where the glass bottles are slowly reheated and then gradually cooled again to a temperature below the strain point of glass. Why glass factory machines run continuously, 24/7, throughout the glass bottle production process. Once the raw materials are melted into a liquid state, they continuously flow through the entire assembly line. If the machinery stops, the temperature decreases. It will cause the molten glass to solidify on the processing machines. Heating and remelting these solidified substances are significantly challenging. Therefore, under normal circumstances, glass factories do not shut down their production machinery unless there is a mechanical issue